All right, we're celebrating our 50th anniversary here over at the MFF area, and we've got a longtime member, Jeff here, and we go back a long ways, back at the headquarters days. Jeff, how long have you had your account with us?
I've been a credit union member since 1988, so 25
Hi, we're here
plus
at the
years.
MFF branch. What's your name, sir?
Robert Donato.
Okay. We're celebrating our 50th anniversary. How long have you been a member with us?
At least 23 years.
I think it's very good, very good. So what do you love about the credit union?
The help that you get on different items other than just taking your money out or putting your money in. If you have a concern about certain things, they really, go out of their way to help you. And people like Sharon and the ladies over in headquarters side, always, even a phone call, my voice is just, it's like family, like we know each other basically. So it's great to be a part of a unit like this that's feel like a family. You know where your money is, and you can always come and touch it when you want to. But more importantly,
I have savings checking account, I have a Visa account, I have my mortgage financed through the credit union, signature loans, car loans, boat loans, motorcycle loans, just about every service available I think I've used over the last 2.5 decades.
Donald, how long have you had your account with us?
39 years.
30? You've got a long-time member here. And, sir, what's your first name?
I'm Charlie.
Charlie. Charlie, how long have you had your account with us?
About 30 years.
About 30 years.
Hi, this is Mr. Winfred Vereen. And Mr. Vereen, how long you've been a member here?
Ever since early 1980s.
1980s.
Yes.
And can you tell us some of the services you like about the
Well,
credit
first of all, anytime I needed to purchase a vehicle, the credit union has always been there for me, and I do most of my banking here.
Okay.
So it's very convenient for me, especially working here.
Okay. And also our last enterprise sale, Mr. Vereen did purchase an enterprise car sale. Were you happy?
I was very happy. Yes, the financing was very quick and easy, and the cars were right there at the Merritt Island branch, so it was very easy to complete the transaction.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you. Thanks for being a member with us.
Thank you.
We're here at the MFF, and we're celebrating our 50th anniversary, and we've got a long-time member here that goes back with me at the headquarters branch for years and years and years,
Yes,
and in our personal lives also.
Yes.
And just for the sake of introduction, why don't you just mention your first name?
Okay, my first name is Kenneth.
Kenneth, how long have you had your account with the credit union?
Well, I've had an account, I've been a member holder, a card member holder for 27
Okay, hi, this is Jeff Smith, one of our longtime members. And Jeff, have you had loans with us in the past?
I have, and everything went real nice, and everybody was real friendly and gave money to me with a smile.
Oh, good, good. And the service, everything?
The service is great. It's always been a pleasure to do business with the union. I've been in since 1989, so it's been a few years. My family was members, actually. So
His dad, his mom, his brother, everybody's been long-time members.
So you've seen this credit union evolve over the years.
Yes.
What changes have you seen over the years?
Well, mostly the new facilities and pretty much the new facilities and the new digs. Beautiful place to come into, pleasant, clean.
What other kind of services do you have with us, with the credit union?
Well, I've purchased a car because of the credit union. I was able to do that. And on my 401k, when I needed to take money out, and if I was running short on payments, I could get a loan with no problem, because they checked my records and they see I was good for it. So those things really, put me at ease on some issues that I might have.
I've gotten signature loans, which are great. I mean, the rates were so low that, rather than using, credit card, signature loan, and it all worked out great. Also got
Always been for the
auto
better,
loans.
always great place. I mean, nice people and good rates for loans and just a good place to bank.
Is there anything else you would like to tell us to make our 50th anniversary
It's just
special?
always been a great experience, is all I can say. That's really about it. And it's better than some banks I've dealt with. So yeah, it's been great.
Okay, thank you very much, Jeff. Thank you for being a member with us.
All right, happy 50th.
Great. Donald, what services do you use with us?
Well, I have checking and have savings, and we have the online banking. So,
Great savings. Have you had any loans with us over the years?
yes, I have one now. I have an existing loan now.
Great, great, great. And what do you like best about banking with the KSC Credit Union?
Well, it's always friendly service. I'm always met with a smile. Everybody's kind, and it's just a pleasant atmosphere.
Great, great, great. Well, we appreciate your long years of service and celebrating with us. And as we go into our 51st year, we're going to be opening up new branches. We're going to be opening up a branch down in Melbourne and another one up in Volusia. And we hope that you stay with us for forever.
Yes, I hope to.
And we appreciate all your long years of service.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, my pleasure. That it?
What services do you use with us?
Checking, savings, loans,
Once you do it, then
Do
we'll
you use
give
any of our online services?
CDs. I have a CD too.
Great, great, great. And what do you like best about banking with the credit union?
I think I like the association with Kennedy Space Center. I'm proud to be here and proud to be a part of the KSC Credit Union as well as
Yeah,
KSC.
well, you know, for the 50th, year thing, I prepared a statement. I think the credit union is awesome. So I kind of got something wrote down, and I'd like to share it with you guys if it's possible. It's a written statement. It says, here's my story. It happened not too long ago, and I thought that all of you should know. By the way, Margie Mitchell is my personal hero. It's a story where I needed to change my loan, and KSC brought me back home. You can ask Sharon, Linda, or even Pam. And Stephanie worked the loan, so she knows who I am. I was at another bank, I won't say their name, but they told me all the things they could do, or so they claim. Kennedy Space Center Federal Credit Union passed the test. Not only was the staff friendly, but their offer was the best. We stand strong together. For a lot of you members, that goes way back, but that's what they say, and that's what they display. I would like to thank you guys. I'm a satisfied customer for over 30 years.
I remember you
Thank
for many years over at our headquarters branch.
Way back.
If you could just mention your first name.
John.
John, how long have you had your account with us?
Oh my
Approximately.
goodness. I've been out here 41 years, so we're pretty much talking about 40 years.
Wow, 40 years plus.
Yeah.
And during that time, have you seen the credit union change
Oh
over
yes,
there?
yes. I've seen the change from a little bitty room with a person sitting in there to Port St. John, Melbourne, out here, Titusville. I just seen y'all just actually grow.
Fantastic. And have you also seen our services
Oh, yes.
grow over the years?
Oh yeah. Can I mention something about it?
Absolutely.
Okay, I got a Visa card. I've had 2 cards with you. Got 1 card now with you. I got my RA with you. I have savings and check-ins. And I got a Visa check card.
What's your first name?
Peter.
Peter. Peter, how long have you had your account with us?
Well, since 1987, so work the math.
Since 1987. That's a good 25 years or so.
That's right.
Yeah. Great. And during that time, what services have you used with us?
Well, of course, the core services, banking, checking, savings, things along those lines. I've had and still have loans. I have, of course, the bank card, the Visa bank card that I use as, for the majority of my purchases. So that comes
And
right
we
out of
have a member who's here employed over at the MFF. What's your first name?
Austin.
Austin. Now, Austin and I, we kind of go way back because he went to school with my daughters.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
And Austin, how long have you had your account with us?
It's been about 9 years now.
About 9 years? And during that time, what services have you used with us?
I've mainly just used checking and savings
Well, I've seen a real focus on customer service, enhanced services through the website. Loan processing has got quicker, better turnaround, more efficient. and good quality people seem to be a hallmark of the place, so keeps
I
me
like
coming
that
back.
there's multiple credit unions everywhere. It's easy access. People are always friendly.
Getting laid off, and I'm still gonna be with you guys, and I got my Port St. John credit union right there, but I'm gonna miss all the peoples out here, because they all know me by name, and where's the best
I
place?
do use the online services for transfers, inter-account transfers, and for balance checking.
Hi, we're at the MFF branch. What's your name?
Rhonda Raxton.
Okay. What do you love about the credit union?
Very kind people, and friendly to talk with.
And you've been working out here for a little while, and when did you become a member?
January 2010.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to say about the credit union, or I know you know a lot of members out here, and also know a lot of employees that work with us.
Come join credit union, Kenny Space in a credit union.
Thank you.
You're welcome.